Student, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see one work example on Taylor series method. So here I written question: use Taylor series method to find y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 up to the third degree, that dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square and y of 0 is equal to 1. So here I write Taylor series expression. It become solution before going to solve. Y of x is equal to y of, this is Taylor series expression, so plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus so on. Up to nth term we can write Taylor series and here I written up to third degree. So here I will write given, see here, given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. This dy by dx we can write y dash also, y dash is equal to x square plus y square, and here x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. So see, this is x naught, this is y naught is equal to 1. I will put the I will put the values of x naught and y naught in Taylor series. We get y of x naught is equal to 0. See, x naught is equal to 0 plus x minus x naught, the value of x naught is 0. So here we will get x minus y 0, y dash of 0 plus x minus 0 whole square by 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus x minus 0 cube by 3 factorial triple dash of 0 plus up to nth term. So here we will get y dash of x is equal to y dash of 0 plus x minus 0, we left with x, y dash of 0 plus here we left with x minus 0 x whole square by 2 factorial I double dash of 0 plus here x minus 0, we left with x cube by 3 factorial triple dash of 0 plus up to the nth term. So here you can see y dash of 0 and y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0. We need to calculate y dash of 0 comma y dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0. We need to find the values. So here y dash is equal to x naught whole square plus y 0 whole square. We know the value of x naught is equal to 0. So 0 plus, we know the value of y naught, that is y naught is 1. So now we got the value y dash of 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, we can calculate the y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0. So see here, I differentiate the given equation with respect to y. So y dash become y double dash 2x plus 2y into y dash of y double dash of 0 is equal to 2 into x naught plus 2 y dash of 0 y of 0. So student, we know the value of x naught, that is 0, plus 2, we know the value of y naught is 1. Already we got y dash of 0, the value of y dash of 0 is 1. So here 2 into 0 is, here we will get 0 plus 2, hence we got the value of y double dash of 0 is equal to 2. So I will find the y triple dash of 0 value, because he is asking the up to the third degree. Similarly, y triple dash means the differentiating third degree, third times 2 plus, here I apply product rule, that is y double dash plus y dash of whole square is equal to plus 2 1 y double dash of 0 is the value of y double dash of 0 is 2 plus 1 whole square. Here we got this expression by using product rule, that is u into v rule. So y triple dash of 0 is equal to 2 plus, here 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2 3, 2 3 is a 6. Now we got the value of y triple dash 0 is equal to 8. Put all the values of y dash of 0, y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0 in equation, that is 1 plus, see here in which equation we have to put, make this equation, name this equation A. We need to put y dash of 0, y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0, the value in this equation. So here I will get x into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial into 8. Equation A becomes is equal to 1 plus x square, 2 factorial we can write 2 into 1 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial we can write 3 into 2 into 1 8 is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 is 2, x cube by 6 into 8, this 2 get cancelled and we left with 1 plus x square plus 4 3 4x cube by 3. This is our Taylor series expression. We put the value of x which is given in the question, that is x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. I will put all the three values in the Taylor series expression. That is, we got the Taylor series expression, that 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 3. Now put x is equal to 0.1 because which is given in the question, that is y of 0.1. Just replace x is equal to 0.1 in the above expression. Here x means 0.1, here 0.1 whole square plus 4 into 0.1 whole cube by 3. Here after solving by our calci, we will get y of 0.1 is equal to 1.1113. Similarly, now I will put x is equal to 0.2, y of 0.2 is equal to 1 plus 0.2 plus 4 into 0.2 whole cube by 3. We need to put x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 in the Taylor series expression. Y of 0.3 is equal to 1 plus x means 0.3, then x square means 0.3 whole square plus 4 x cube means 0.3 whole cube by 3. So here we will get y of 0.3 is equal to 1.426. So dear student, in this way we can solve the problems on Taylor series method.